The YesRight 110V 120Amp ARC Welder is a lightweight and portable welding machine, making it ideal for use in various work environments without occupying much space. It supports multiple rod sizes, specifically welding rods ranging from 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch, which is beneficial for DIY enthusiasts and home repairs. The welder incorporates advanced IGBT inverter technology, ensuring stable current flow and energy efficiency, while minimizing spatter and promoting smooth arc initiation. This welding machine includes comprehensive accessories such as a welding ground wire, brush, mask, and toolbox, catering to a range of metal welding needs. Its versatility allows for applications in mechanical manufacturing, sheet metal processing, and automobile maintenance, making it suitable for both novices and experienced welders. The YesRight ARC Welder is not only a reliable tool, but also makes for a thoughtful gift for individuals passionate about DIY projects and metalworking.